This 2023 Newmar Ventana 3407 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 34 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Remmy Decor, Glacier Glazed Maple Hardwood-HG interior, sleeps 2, air conditioning, TV antenna, self-contained, external shower, slideout, awning, TV, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, LP detector, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features couples coach, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2023 Newmar Ventana 3407 is built on a Freightliner XCR chassis and is powered by a Cummins B6.7 360 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.